BTP, Big Business Technology for Small Business.
Michael Jenkin here from BTP here in South Australia. We're looking to fill a role here at BTP. We're looking for possibly one, possibly two people. Depends on what you can do, depends on what your skills are. We're looking for a person to front up our help desk. Someone who can add users, remove users from Active Directory or Azure Active Directory, Office 365. Someone who can add mailboxes, basically someone who can do data entry, answer the phone, very communicative on the phone, can actually discuss things with people, walk people through things, solving problems. Maybe you know a little bit about mail merge, maybe you know a little bit about editing email signatures, you know how to recover data, you know how to run up a computer, all those help desky type things. If you've got skills based on Windows Server, Windows 10, Windows 7, and you can give us a resume, send it to hr@btponline.com.au. Again, hr@Bravo Tango Papa online, btponline.com.au, and we'll have a look at it and get back to you. We are looking for two people. One's going to do the help desk. The other one assist us with our 3CX phone rollouts. We're getting into 3CX in a big way, and we need to support our existing 3CX guys. So if you've got experience with 3CX, whether it be cloud-based or Pi-based or physical server, whatever based it is, we've got a job possibly going for you as well. So if you can get back in touch with us, let us know. We're looking for people with a little bit of experience, 1 or 2 years maybe, and yeah, let us know what you can do. So get in touch with us, again, hr@btponline.com.au, looking for two positions. One is for help desk in IT, and the other one is to assist us with 3CX phone rollouts. And if you happen to be great at both, awesome, one position. Whatever we can do to get ourselves up and running, we need more staff, we are growing, and we need to expand our team. So get in touch with us and give us your resume. Thank you.